Hey there, educators! Are you ready to unlock your potential and take your teaching game to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how Excel, Word, and PowerPoint can be your best friends in the classroom. These tools aren't just for business. Oh no, they're here to make your life easier, more organized, and even more engaging for your students. Let's start with Excel. I know, you might think it's just for number crunching, but there's so much more. Imagine having a gradebook that's automatically updated, complete with colorful charts that show each student's progress. Or how about creating a seating chart that you can adjust with just a few clicks? Excel can handle all of that and more. Plus, it's a fantastic way to track attendance, plan lessons, and even manage your classroom budget. Next up, Word. This isn't just a word processor, it's your digital notebook, your lesson planner, and your creative playground. With Word, you can create visually stunning worksheets, engaging newsletters for parents, and detailed lesson plans. And the best part? The templates. There are so many free templates available that can save you a ton of time. Plus, with features like Mail Merge, you can personalize letters and certificates in bulk, perfect for those award ceremonies. And finally, PowerPoint. PowerPoint, the ultimate presentation tool. But it's not just for presentations. You can use it to create interactive lessons, complete with animations and quizzes. Imagine your students' faces lighting up as they see their names on the big screen during a review game. Or how about a virtual field trip where you guide them through historical landmarks with embedded videos and images? The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. 3 powerful tools that can transform your teaching experience. Take some time to explore these tools, play around with their features, and most importantly, think about how they can make your life easier and your students' learning experience richer. Unlock your potential and watch your classroom thrive. Thanks for tuning in and happy teaching.